Hey guys,
My name is Mega Hugo.
fucking yep, bitch. Fuck off. Hey guys, my name is Mega Higa and today we're gonna open with you some teens from Shiny Kalos set. These three ones. Yveltal, Zygarde, and Xerneas. Yep. And I got this one from what the fuck? How this one called? Full Battle Heart. Teen Volcanion. No, stop. I got few of those. It's gonna be my second chance if I gonna pull total garbage from this four. I got this shit for half of price because it's damaged and shut the fuck up. I hope I'm gonna pull something good. It's so freaking. I'm not gonna say fucking, cause it's family friendly show my ass, bitch. What the fuck? In the future, I'm gonna try to not curse it all. In the future, but now fuck yourself. I think today we're gonna open this one. Boop. And maybe two of those. What are those? And fuck you, Max Mofo, for not fucking opening a new Sun and Moon booster box. He was like he showed us he got two of Alola and two of Island Awake. Wait, I don't remember how they called, but I purchased one on eBay too from Japan, and I'm waiting them. It's gonna be my first Japanese cards in my whole life. Max, I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you? And you guys can congrat myself. I got me some camera, bitch. Fuck off. Sony iPhone 5000. We're gonna start with him. No. Yep. And what we got here? This card looks kind of cool. Oh. Can you fucking fight me? Fight me, bitch. What the fuck is this? Ew. Fuck off. Can you fucking focus on my finger? My finger was in fucking fairy butthole. I don't know where it's come from. I was fingering in fairy bitch. Some pussy or some asshole. Don't mind that. Back to the fucking looks good. Next, we got code in here. Take and shove it up your pussy. We got here 4 packs from Древние Истоки. Innocent something, and I don't fucking know. Fight me. Oh. Code. Are you gonna fucking focus? Focus or not? Yeah. And 1, 2, 3 in the front. Сейблай. Спиритическая связь. Spiritual связь. Bond. Тиранитара. Fuck off, I don't know what the fuck. Связь Амфороса. Колет. Иви. Квайксар. Комби. Мяут. Вупер.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
And what kind of annoys me in this one series is it looked like full art, but it's not. It looks good. Glitter. Guys, it's so fucking hard to pronounce something in English when it comes to this kind of words. Glitter. Code 1, 2, 3 in the front. Energy. Blossom. On Russian, if you're gonna read them, that is gonna sound like Blossom. But in English, I think it sounds Blossom. Trainer, Spinark, Baltoy, Quaxire, Combi, Collet, Trainer, Ne. Fuck you. I want to be kind of careful with package. Maybe. Oh. You see? Nice birthday beats. Code. I don't know. Maybe someone playing that. Maybe someone. Maybe not. Maybe do. Trainer. Ariados. Pendejo. Trainer, Eevee, Paragon, Baltoy, Malmar, Galette, Larvesta. And, what the fuck is that? Fucking stupid shit! Looks like a fucking full art, but it's not, don't have a shine in it. Fuck, this is fucking scam. Dear white people. In Russia, we don't have a Netflix, and dear white people, white trash, Metank, Kirlia, Galette, Larblast, Larbiesta, Paragon, Persian, Eevee, Inkay, and I think I'm gonna open. No. This though. Maybe something good gonna happen. Code 1, 2, 3 in the front. Butterfree. What the fuck? What the Why I got this fucking first? I think I'm gonna I take 3 cards. Yeah? Shut the fuck up. Fuck it. Me. Nothing interesting, and that's why maybe they are fucking opened. Cause this is fucking scam. They scammed my ass. Beep. Code 1, 2, 3. The front. No. Watch. What the fuck? Ochkoch. Fuck off. Pancham, Magmar. I remember them. I remember this Pokemon from my childhood. Me. Gophita. Makuhita. Matchup. Clowncher. And maybe it's gonna sound weird or kind of stupid, but I collect only shiny ones. I don't give a fuck about. If you don't have a shine, then go fuck yourself. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna make this video is gonna be kind of long. I'm gonna separate them into 4 parts. Cause I'm already annoyed. Cause I get scammed by Pokemon cards. And next one gonna be maybe some of those. What are those? And thank you guys for watching. Subscribe on my channel. Leave a like, comment, do whatever you want. Bye.
Oh my.